We had to have a rhythm very much alive. We didn't have a thing, still we sing. We had to walk for the kick until the bell would ring. Hypnotize the boogie. We hypnotize the boogie. It's a hypnotize the boogie. Sure feels good, I can't dance. I wish I could. Now Queen Victoria gave a costume ball. Now you ladies turn your back to the wall. Oh, one guy jumped up in a ready suit. He ripped up his mask and put a serious sucker flu. Hypnotize the boogie. We hypnotize the boogie. It's that hypnotize the boogie. Sure feels good, I can't dance. I wish I could. In a row, CDs are real packed, amazing sales at home. And Julie said to Cleo, let's take a little walk. And Cleo said to Julie, shut up and don't talk. Hypnotize the boogie. We hypnotize the boogie. We hypnotize the boogie. Sure feels good, I can't dance. I wish I could. Now inside, outside, every time around, we got to have the hypnotizing boogie type of sound. If you ain't heard it, you wish to know, I'll give you a little taste just before I go. Hypnotize the boogie. The hypnotizing boogie. The hypnotizing boogie. You missing the thrill, I wanna dance. I think I will. I wanna dance. I think I will. I wanna dance. I think I will. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for the night. Thank you. Thank you.